Hello, my name is Vanessa Rodriguez, and I am in your anatomical kinesiology class in the summer for summer 2. And this is going to be my final video summary. So the thing that was most challenging to me in this course was probably just the biomechanics aspect of this course, because I've honestly just been honestly always struggled with physics, so just like understanding like that concept and stuff like that, and the other concepts regarding biomechanics. That's honestly all that really was mostly challenging to me. And what I enjoyed the most was just like learning the different types of body movements for like the main parts of your body, and all of like the exercises that you can do with these different types of motions. And it also taught me what exercises can improve like which muscles like the most. So I really liked learning like the different movements and stuff like that. Just like the anatomy aspect, like I really enjoyed like actually understanding the material and knowing like what I'm doing. And then what I could take away from this class is just the fact that I will actually be able to apply this to my profession. So I'm going to be an occupational therapist, and just like learning all these movements and stuff will definitely help me in my career.